Obviously, as a free-thinking and liberty-minded entrepreneur, I think that privacy is completely vital. It's none of your damn business where I spend my own damn money. Well, a privacy coin is a type of cryptocurrency that disguises everything about your buying and your selling history. I'll get into what that means and why it's important in just a second. But essentially, these privacy coins make it impossible to track the transaction history of a coin, or to know what money is in any particular wallet. So right now there are two privacy coins that own the market, and we're going to get into all of that today on Renegade News. I'm Glenn Kowalski from Renegade News, where it's our mission to help you break free from the system, pay less tax, and live anywhere in the world that you want. So go right now and smash that subscribe and that notification button, and let's get right into it. Most people think that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are anonymous. And that's one of the lame-ass excuses that the government and the bankers and the media are using to scare people about how evil cryptocurrencies are. Oh my God, Bitcoin is used by drug dealers and money launderers. That means that yes, a person's real identity is not attached to their wallet. But all of the transactions made within that wallet, and in fact, any of the transactions that are made with any of the crypto in the wallet, they're all completely trackable. So it's really easy to find out how much money is in a wallet, and it's really easy to find out what any of that crypto in the wallet has been used for at any time in the past. So if anyone knows or finds out about any transaction that you make with that wallet, they can tie you back to the wallet, and boom, all your privacy disappears in a flash. Which incidentally is why the drug dealers that everyone accuses of using Bitcoin really prefer to use fiat dollars. They're tougher to track. Anyway, privacy coins have solved that fatal flaw and have made cryptocurrency, the wallets, and the transactions completely private, while maintaining all the benefits of safe crypto transactions. Right now, there's two privacy coins that are shining really above all the others, and that's Monero and Pirate. Monero launched in 2014, and it's probably the better known of the two. It uses what it calls ring signature to hide or cloak both the sender and the recipient of any transaction. So what that means is that when a transaction starts, a group of different signers validate the transaction so that the sender's identity remains private. You can kind of think of it like buying a gift for a coworker, but then having everyone in the office sign the card so the recipient doesn't know who it was from unless you tell them. With Monero, it works the same way. If you send someone Monero, they don't know who it's from unless you tell them. So there are no traces left along the way. Monero works by creating a one-time spend key that only the recipient wallet can detect. So therefore, the recipient is the only one who could spend that Monero. Stealth addresses are used so the recipient isn't connected to the transaction in any way. But the miners can still verify that the transaction happened and that it was completely valid. The other big player in the privacy space is Pirate Coin, which hilariously has the stock symbol of ARR. Pirate Chain was created in 2018 and uses what's called ZK snarks to 100% hide the peer-to-peer transaction. Their process uses a delayed proof of work concept to eliminate double spending. Personally, I like Pirate a lot more. I like it better than Monero because it also safeguards against 51% attacks by using the Bitcoin blockchain as a backup, and I'm a big Bitcoin fan. But that way, if hackers want to attack Pirate, they need to attack Bitcoin first, and that is virtually impossible to do. Since Pirate Chain uses the block explorer, anyone can see the transactions, but they can't see who the sender or the recipient are or their addresses, so they can't connect them to any particular wallet. It also protects against any information about the transaction from being leaked out. Privacy coins have all the advantages of the blockchain, like being able to send or receive from anywhere in the world that you want. They are also a store of value against all the fiat money printing and other monetary policy disasters that are on the horizon due to the pandemic and other money printing policies. Plus, they deliver an advantage of real privacy. And this is vital because while privacy should be a basic human right, it's been stolen by the banks and the 1% elite, and they don't want to give it back. But privacy is vital if we ever want to find real freedom and liberty. So for more information on investing and profiting from cryptocurrencies and in privacy in general, and for how you can use cryptocurrencies to find more freedom and liberty in your own life, click the video that you see on the screen right now. And don't forget to follow Renegade News to discover all the latest infringements and wins in your pursuit of more freedom and liberty in this unfree world.